Welcome back, dear students, in the fifth module of triangle and its properties. In this module, we will learn the properties and we apply also the last property, that is properties of sides of triangle. So what we have learned in previous module, just quick recap of that. So in that we have learned sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. Okay, for example, if this is a triangle ABC in which these three sides are here, AB is 3 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. So what we have to do, we will check that if sum of two sides is greater than third side or not. So first is that AB plus AC. We have to check AB plus AC, either it is greater than or less than BC. Let's check this. So what is AB? That is 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, and 3 plus 5 is 8 centimeter. Okay, this is equal to 8 centimeter, and you know 8 centimeter is greater than BC, which is 7 centimeter. 8 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter, that is BC. So yes, first property is right, first condition is true. Now the second condition, we have to check AB plus BC is greater than AC or not. So what is AB? AB is again 3 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. So 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10 centimeter. And now we have to check AB plus BC, that is 10 centimeter, is greater than AC or not. So what is the value of AC? AC is 5 centimeter, so it is greater than 5 centimeter. So this is also right. Now the third one is what? AC plus BC. AC is 5 centimeter plus BC. BC is 7 centimeter. So 5 plus 7 is 12 centimeter. Now we have to check is 12 centimeter is greater than AB. So what is AB? AB is 3 centimeter. So yes, it is greater than 3 centimeter. So all the three properties are satisfied. All the three conditions are satisfied for this triangle. Okay. So first property is over. Now the next one is what? The second property of sides is the difference between the length of any two sides of a triangle is smaller, this is smaller than the length of the third side, right? So that means if any two sides, and we have to take the difference of that. So suppose if I am taking AC and AB, okay, so AC minus AB, this is bigger side, so AC minus AB. So now we have to check क्या ये difference BC से छोटा है. So what we have to do, we'll check this. What is AC minus AB? AC minus AB is 7 centimeter, sorry, AC is 5 centimeter minus AB is 3 centimeter. So the result is 2 centimeter. Okay, that is 2 centimeter, and we know that this 2 centimeter is smaller than BC. BC is 7 centimeter, so it is smaller than 7 centimeter. So this is also true. Okay, now check BC minus AC. This one is BC, this one is AC. So 7 minus 5, 7 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, that must be smaller than 3 centimeter, smaller than the third side. Please check the third side. So what is the difference? This is 7 minus 5 is 2 centimeter, and 2 centimeter, yes, 2 centimeter is less than third side, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is also verified. Now the next one is BC minus AB. We have to take these two sides and take the difference of these two sides, that must be smaller than AC, that is 5 centimeter. Now check, BC is 7 centimeter minus 3 centimeter, and the difference is 7 minus 3 is 4 centimeter. And please check here, this 4 centimeter is smaller than AC, which is 5 centimeter. Okay, so these two properties are also true. Now students, come to check the application of the properties that we have recap. For that we have to start exercise 6.4. Question number 1 you have done. Now come to question number 2. And in this question, the question is take any point O in the interior of triangle PQR and you have to check is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, or is OQ plus OR is greater than QR, and the third one is OR plus OP is greater than RP. So for that we have to mark here P, this is Q and this is R, and join. In the solution we will write join PO means OP, OQ and OR. Join all the three vertices from O. Now if we join, we will get three triangles inside, 1, 2 and 3. Triangle PQR, sorry, triangle OPQ, OQR and triangle ORP, right? So now come to the first. Here I have to write join OP, OQ and OR. Now the first I am going to solve. So the question is OP, we have to check is OP plus OQ is greater than OPQ. OP means this, OQ means this and PQ means this side. So now as you know in triangle, now in triangle this, the first triangle, okay, triangle OPQ, as we know that sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. So the two sides are OP and OQ. Here we have to write in triangle OPQ sum of two sides greater than, must be greater than the third side. Okay, so OP plus OQ, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So this is yes. Okay. Like this way you have to do the next question, question number 2, the second part and third part by your own, right? Now come to question number 4. In this question we have to check in quadrilateral ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD and plus DA, all these four sides is greater than AC plus BD, means that is greater than the sum of its diagonals. So how to solve this question? Let's check. So first of all we have to check the sides forming the triangle, okay, like we have to check AC and BD. So AC, this side, okay, this is one of the side of a triangle. So how many triangles are there in this figure having base AC, means one of its side AC? So there are two triangles possible, that is triangle ACD and triangle ACB, right? So now we have to take these two triangles. So in triangle ABC we have AB plus BC is greater than AC, right? Make this equation 1, this in equation 1. Also in triangle with the same base AC there is another triangle ADC. In triangle ADC we have again these two sides, means AD plus CD is greater than AC. This is the second part, second equation. Now we have to check the another triangles having base DB. DB is the base, so this is the base DB. Check for the triangle having base BD. Now in triangle with base BD is triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, what we have, AB plus AD is greater than BD. Okay, right? So AB plus DA or AD is greater than BD. Right? Make this in equation 3. And the fourth one with the same base BD, there is another triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, we have, so now please check in this triangle, the last one, this one. So this side plus this side must be greater than this side BD. Okay, so we'll write BC plus CD is greater than BD. So write down here, that is BC plus CD is greater than BD. Now this is in equation 4. Now what we have to do next, we have to add all these inequations, means first, second, third and fourth. If we will add, so LHS part is added to LHS and RHS part is added to RHS. Okay, so adding 1, 2, 3 and 4, all the 4 conditions. So what we have to do, AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus AD plus CD, all are added in LHS part. So AD plus CD plus AB plus DA, AB plus DA, and the last one BC plus CD, BC plus CD. Okay, so all these sums must be greater than the sums of RHS. So that must be greater than the sums at the RHS, that is AC plus AC plus BD plus BD. Right? Now to check AB plus AB, so 2 times AB are there, so twice of AB plus BC, BC plus BC plus 2 times BC plus CD and CD, 2 times CD also there, twice of CD, and plus DA and DA both are same, so 2 times of DA or AD, twice of DA. Okay, so we have added LHS. Now that must be greater than RHS, and RHS is AC plus AC, twice of AC plus twice of BD. Now what to do next? We have to take common 2 from each of the numbers, each of the values. So twice of AB plus BC plus CD and plus DA, that is greater than twice of AC plus BD. Okay, I have taken common from both the side. Now dividing both the side by 2, we have to divide both the side by 2, so we can cancel this 2 and 2 on dividing. So what we'll get at the last, that is AB plus BC plus CD and plus DA, that is greater than AC plus BD. So this we have to prove, and yes, it is proved. So we'll write yes, this is true. Yes, it is true. Okay, this is your last answer. So like this way you have to complete exercise 6.4. Thank you very much, students.